Hello students, I myself Kunna want to teach about something about percentage, which is a comparing quantity. So all of you must be knowing about the percentage, and I am telling what is percentage. So I myself is Kunna, teaching in this Kunna's Horizon and about the percentage, and you all may be liking this channel. Try to subscribe this one for more persons to get the benefits. So let us start the study. So this is percentage. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage is a comparing quantity. Percentage is a comparing quantity. Comparing quantity. So when percentage comes to act, the denominator of the fraction should be 100. Means percentage means out of 100. Out of 100. That means the denominator of the given quantity should be 100. So let us think how this 100 help us to find out to compare with one thing with the other. So for that thing, let us see here. I have taken one example. Let one person gets 60 out of 80 in science, but other one gets 40 out of 50 in maths. So if one tries to think that in which subject he has got more marks and in which subject his performance is better, for that thing we have to compare this one. For that thing we have to make the denominators of this one and both the cases as 100, so that we can find out the percentage. That means out of 80 he is getting 60. Similarly, out of 1 he is getting 60 out of 80. Out of 1 he is getting 60 by 80. Then out of 100 he gets 60 by 80 into 100. 60 by 80 into 100. So this is equal to 0 0 cancel, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 4 25 ja. That means this is equal to 75, and this is the percentage. We can write this one as, therefore the percentage is percentage is 75%, and this is the sign of the percent. Now see here, here also 40 out of 50. That means out of 50 he is getting 40. Similarly, out of 1, he is getting how much? 40 by 50. So out of 100, he is getting 40 by 50 into 100. So 52 ja, and this is equal to 80. That means the percentage is 80%. This is the percentage sign. So in maths he is getting 80%, and in science he is getting 75%. That means he is getting a better performance. He is having a better performance in maths rather than the science, because in the science, but in both the cases you see I have calculated from 100, out of 100. Remember, out of 100. So this is percentage. So this the out of 100 means percentage. So this is what the meaning of percentage means. Now for the so this is all about the percentage, what percentage means. So if we want to make a fraction, if a fraction is given, if a fraction is given, if a fraction is given, to convert that one, to percentage, we have to multiply the fraction, we have to multiply the fraction by 100. We have to multiply the fraction by 100. If, for example, if 30 by 25 is the given fraction, we have to convert this one into percentage, then multiply 30 by 25 by 100. So this is equal to 4, and this is equal to 120%. Similarly, if a percentage is given, number 1, this one is, and then this one is number 2. If a percentage is given, to convert that one into fraction, to convert that one into fraction, we have to divide the fraction by divide the number, we have to divide the given percentage by 100. we have to divide the given percentage by 100. Next one, so for example, if we will think that 20% is given and we have to make it in fraction. So this one is equal to 20 by 100. So this just simplify, you will get the answer 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Then the next one. If we want to, number 3, if we want to find out the value of a certain percent of a certain of a certain number, then we have to convert the fraction, we have to convert the percentage into fraction, then multiply by the number. For example, 5% of 7 meters. 5% of 75 meters. So see here, 5%. Convert this one into fraction. 5 by 100. Of means multiply into 75 meters. So this one is in meters. So we will get the answer in the meters. Whatever units the quantity hold, you will get the answer in that units. So 25 4 is 100, 25 3 is 75. So 5 3 is 15 by 4. So this is equal to 4 3 is 12, 3 full 1, 4 3 is 12, 3 is 3 full 3 by 4 meters. So 5% of 75 meters is equal to 3 full 3 by 4 meters. So the next one is how can we find out the increased percent of a given number? If a certain number is increased from, if a certain number, number 4, if a certain number is increased by 5%, increased by a certain percentage, then how will we find the increased number? How will we find the increased number? if a certain number is increased by a certain percentage, then how will we find out the increased number? That is, the formula for this one is increased number is equal to 100 plus increased percentage by 100 into original number. So if we, for example, if 75 increased by 5%, that means 100 plus 5 by 100 into 75, because here the original number is 75 and we have to increase that number by 5%. So we have to increase 5%. That means 100 plus 5 by 100. This is equal to 105 by 100 into 75. So this is equal to 25 4 ja, 25 3 ja. So this is equal to 315 by 4. So this is the increased number. But if we want to find the increased percentage of the number, number 5, if a number is increased from x to y, then how will we find the increased percentage? How will we find the increased percentage? So for that thing, first we have to find out the increased, that is equal to increased percentage is equal to increase in quantity by original number into 100. That means if the original number, for example, example 75 increased to 80, that means increased percentage in original number is 75, increased number is 80. So increased quantity is equal to 80 minus 75, that is equal to 5. So increased percentage is equal to 5 by original number 75 into 100. So 5 1 ja 5, 15, 5 3 ja 5, 20 ja. So this is equal to 20 by 3. This is the increased percentage. This is the increase percentage. Now next we will find out if a certain number is decreased by a certain number. If a certain number 6, if a certain number is decreased by a some percentage, is decreased by some percentage, how will we find? How will we find the decreased number? So here decreased number is equal to number is equal to 100 minus decrease percentage by 100 into original number. By 100 minus decrease percentage by 100 into original number. So decreased number is equal to 100 minus, so decrease percentage. If for example $75 decreased by 5%. So the decreased number is equal to is equal to 100 minus 5 by 100 into original number, which is 75. So this is equal to 95 by 100 into 75. 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja. So this is equal to 3 5 ja 15, 5 calculator 1, 3 9 ja 27, 1 28, 285 by 4. So this is the decreased number. So next, number 7. How to find out? The decreased percent when a number is decreased to certain number. A number is decreased to certain number. So for this one, the decrease percentage is equal to decreased number or decrease in quantity by original number into 100. So let us think, if a number, for example, 75 decreased to 70. 75 decreased to 70. So decrease percentage, original number is equal to 75. Decrease number is equal to 70. Decrease quantity is equal to 75 minus 70 is equal to 5. So decrease percentage is equal to 5 by 75 into 100. So 5 15 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 20 ja. So this is equal to 20 by 3%. So this is all about the percentage on, and we will read in the first part. I have taught you about the percentage. In the second part, very soon I will give you a certain knowledge about the profit and loss linked with the percentage chapter, and which is very soon coming in our channel, which will be described and taught by me, the Kunna sir.